This is the packaging in which my nails and other stuff came. I bought this from Nykaa. It comes with a nail sticker, a packet of nail sticker and a filer like this. And then there's another packaging, a bubble wrapped package where you can find your nails like this. It is a pack of 24 nails of various sizes. First, I'll start off with the acetone I have, which is also known as nail paint remover. I'll clean all my nails with this. Then chop off the extra edges of my nails with a nail cutter. Since the nail packet comes in various sizes, first you got to check which size fits your nails and then pluck it and keep it aside. The filer which comes with this packet is of a very good quality filer. I will first file off my edges of the nails and then the top surface of the nail to make it a bit rough. So whatever you're using, be it nail glue or nail sticker, it will stick properly and stay intact for several days. The nail stickers too comes in various sizes, so you have to check which size matches your nails and then stick it. Once done sticking all the stickers onto your nails, there's gonna be another plastic top coat above the sticker. Remove that and press on the nails nicely so that there's no air between the sticker and the nails, and it's done. I'm gonna file the edge of the fake nails because it was slightly sharp. And then continue with all the nails. This is how it's gonna look after you are completely done sticking your fake nails. This is really durable and very long lasting. It lasted on my nails for like 2 weeks and more than that. I am gonna put the link of this product in the description box. You can check that out. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.